because this is very important for shutdown point of view.
Yes, correct.
Other recommendations are standard recommendation. This will be done by the EPC contractor any means. But Sudeep, these two recommendations are very important, for field contractor.
Noted, sir. Yes.
Because this will impact what Oscar is saying, that 1 year contract, 1 year project will go for 3 years. Right now.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So what I will do, I will clean this sheet. I will make the number and everything later on after the workshop, and will send it to you.
Okay.
Now I think we can go for the small short break, and then we can come back and go for the CMOS, right?
Sir, with Prakash, hi team. Do you want to check the recommendation?
You want? Oh yeah, right.
Yeah,
That is for CMOS, right?
Yeah.
This for hedge of recommendation you are saying?
Yes,
No.
which I shared.
Yeah, one more.
One Sudeep sir, there is a recommendation yesterday in House of Session.
Okay.
Number 4, yeah. This
That
one of the
is-
recommendation.
This is the discuss shutdown requirement.
No.
Okay.
Sir,
Installation of
Can we capture it in somewhere in the worksheet? Remarks or something.
But installation of new IDBB in place of existing DBB, this is not a constructability concern. What is the concern? I will put here in electrical point of view. What is IDBB? Is it electrical part or instrument part?
Sir, that one, that photos we showed, this oil and water analyzer. So existing DBB will not be used, new DBB will be used. So in that case, shutdown is required. So you already captured here the shutdown concern and all will need to mention.
No additional, yes.
No additional concern, but this one, this recommendation for shutdown is already provided earlier, right? To capture EPC contractor and fit contractor both.
Sorry, you can reuse the existing cables for sure. We checked that the existing cables can be reused up to the control room.
Which one?
You are going